graduate, where do we go?
Hi Batch 2025, thank you for joining us. So as you can see in my back, there's a cherry blossom tree and sakura season na dito here in Japan. And after the sakura season here in Japan, life will be changing and soon, a few weeks na lang, gagraduate na kayo, Batch 2025. Congrats for lit dahil road to QPAV na kayo and back mass nyo na next week. And ang message ko lang sa inyo na layunin lang tingin nyo, like sa dagat na ito. And kagaya ng mga bangka na nakikita ko dito na just keep on sailing in life. Kasi in the future, just keep on sailing kasi I know ang daming uncertainties after you graduate, but just keep on sailing and you will reach the destination that you have dreamed of. Kagaya ng mga barko na ito na nandito sa paligid. So after you graduate, syempre, tatanungin na sa sarili nyo na, what's after graduation? When we all graduate, where do we go? Yun yung ng program, di ba? So, yun na nga, tanongin nyo, start nyo nang isipin kung saan kayo pupunta after you graduate. Like, maglo-law school ba kayo? Mag-grad school ba kayo? O mag-work na after this? Like, kagaya ko na nag-work na. So, tanongin nyo na yung sarili nyo kasi your life starts after you graduate. So, congrats sa inyo mga for-lit, especially sa mga Swiss na nakasama ko pa noong class ko na sila. Jaila, Clem, Gia, Mark Lance, Julie, Von, and Joanna. Thank you sa mga memories na kasama nyo ko during our class nung nasa klase pa tayo. And also to my friend na si Rovi, gagraduate na ngayon. Thank you so much for the memories kasi ka-lunchtime ko siya. So, thank you so much. Kita tayo soon after pag umuwi ako ng Pinas. And also to the president of for-lit, na si JC. Congrats dahil na-survive mo ang 4 years na pagiging president ng for-lit and ng class ninyo ng batch 20. And also congrats din kay Latricia dahil pares kami ng advisor. And also, ayun, congrats sa thesis nyo. Congrats sa thesis mo, Inday, dahil this is defended and I'm sure proud yung advisor mo sa iyo. Thank you so much. Next year kayo naman, so yun. Kayo naman. Oo.
Uy! May pera?
Uy! Ako. Uy! Baka ano. Uy, malay yung next year, baka magpadala ko ng pera. Just keep your lines open, ha? So,
Keep your lines open.
yeah, keep your lines
To
open.
the future EB, baka naman.
Yes, baka naman bonggahan nyo next year. Kasi alam ko siguro marami kayong
Tapos may
gagraduate
gift na
next
dapat.
year. So ayun nga po, totoo po yung balita na yung sinabi ko last year na I will sponsor the baccalaureate mass of your batch. And ito na po, hindi po ako magsisinungaling. I will cover the batch 2025 baccalaureate mass fees. So I have already sent 5,000 pesos on your Litsock treasurer. So ito po, may proof po ako na transaction details na sinend ko po last week pa. So yun na nga, nakaplano ko na po yan at hindi tinutuo ko na po ang sinabi ko last year kasi kung hindi ko po tinutuo baka huntingin niyo ako eh, joke lang. Pero yun na nga, I hope this is enough to feed you during the baccalaureate mass and at kung merong discrepancy to sa binigay ko na wala kayong pagkain or anything magandang costume, sisihin nyo yung treasure ng Let's Talk. Joke lang, pero yun na, sana well budgeted yung baccalaureate mass nyo this year. So, yun na nga guys. So, basta mag-enjoy na kayo this baccalaureate mass 2025 and huminga na malalim before you exit the arc of the centuries. So, yun na nga guys. Congrats again, once again sa inyo. And I hope I'll see you when I see you. So, thank you guys for watching this short video. So, bye-bye!